Have you ever been falsely accused, betrayed by someone you trusted, or faced invisible enemies blocking your path? Psalm 7 isn't just one more poem or song. It's an ancient spiritual weapon that reveals, protects, and delivers. Stay with me, because in the next few minutes, we're going to unlock its hidden powers and how you can use it starting tonight. Psalm 7 is not a passive prayer. It's a call to divine justice. Written by King David when he was hunted like prey, this psalm has been whispered by warriors, mystics, and the persecuted for thousands of years. It's known in mystical tradition as a psalm of rapid aid, a spiritual missile against injustice, deceit, and hidden enemies. But most people overlook its ancient structure and the secret way to activate it. If you're looking for spiritual protection, truth to be revealed, or power over unseen opposition, make sure stay to the end, because I'll walk you through the 3 hidden uses of Psalm 7, plus the exact method to unlock its full energy. Psalm 7 begins with a plea. O Lord my God, in you I take refuge. This isn't just poetic, it's a declaration of spiritual jurisdiction. You're inviting divine justice to take over immediately. In the original Hebrew, the intensity of the words paints a picture of a hunted soul, turning to a shield that never breaks. In Jewish and Christian mystical traditions, Psalm 7 is considered part of the white magic of the Psalms, sacred words that shift spiritual forces. Recited with intention, it is believed and proved to the following: provide rapid divine assistance, unmask enemies, reveal hidden secrets, and break spiritual oppression. So how do we use Psalm 7 today? Let's break it down into 3 real-world uses. 1. When you are falsely accused, whether it's legal battles, gossip, or betrayal, Psalm 7 is your divine defense. Repeat verse 1. Save me from all my persecutors and deliver me. Recite this daily, 7 times with full focus. Imagine a divine shield forming around you. 2. When enemies are working in secret, Psalm 7 includes a bold plea. Let the evil of the wicked come to an end. This verse calls for exposure. Use it when lies are whispered or sabotage is at work. 3. When you're spiritually blocked or attacked, if you feel spiritually drained, under pressure, or misaligned, this psalm breaks that grip. It acts fast. Many call it a psalm of fire, for how quickly it changes the energy around you. Reciting Psalm 7 once is good, but if you want to activate its true energy, follow this ancient method. 1. The 7x7 activation. 2. Light a white candle. 3. Recite Psalm 7 7 times. 4. Do this for 7 days straight, ideally after sunset. While repeating, focus on the phrase, God is a shield who saves the upright in heart. 5. Visual anchor. Many traditions link Psalm 7 to a hidden, magical image, a protective symbol visualized during recitation. While the original image is secret, imagine a divine shield surrounding you, glowing with light. This mental focus enhances the psalm's effect. This psalm reminds us of some very important facts in life. You don't need revenge. You need justice from above. Psalm 7 teaches integrity. It aligns you with divine law and protects those with clean hearts. So, if you're in the middle of conflict, feeling misunderstood, or you just need a spiritual cleanse, Psalm 7 isn't just words. It's spiritual technology or key, passed down through generations, waiting for you to activate it or unlock it. The question is, would you believe enough to use it? I have, and I am here to tell you, it works. Before you go, let's seal this moment. Comment below with a phrase, God is my shield. Let's form a community of faith and power. Share this with someone facing betrayal or injustice. Hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell, because next we're diving into Psalm 8, the ancient song of manifestation and divine authority. You won't want to miss it. Until next time, stay mindful, keep shining, and more importantly, be blessed.